Hey, this is Bryan with Late Model Engines. Today we have our VVT Delete front cover for the LT1, LT4, and LT5 engines. This front cover is available in both dry sump and wet sump configurations. The whole point of this product is to delete the factory phaser. So this is your cam phaser, the factory cam gear, very heavy, bulky, and this is what allows for the variable valve timing in your engine. The downfall of this part is when you increase the RPM and boost levels, you can get cam phasing fluctuation at those high RPMs. If you're trying to make power and your cam timing is fluctuating, that can be problematic to tune and is just not a good thing. So we get rid of the phaser unit and utilize a solid cam gear. The factory cam gear does not offer the same dowel pin location, so we've gone ahead and corrected that so it mimics the factory phaser. So this can be installed on any traditional VVT camshaft and it will not affect your cam timing, so it'll degree in just the same. Gets rid of the factory oil through bolt, and we have our hardened cam bolt. This torques to 150 foot-pounds. The front cover utilizes all of the factory hardware, so your oil pump harness as well as your cam sensor harness, all the factory bolts will go into this front cover. We also installed an O-ring from the front cover to the block, so you don't have to silicone the front cover to the engine block like the factory piece. You will use silicone on the oil pan side. Front cover also comes with a LT front main seal as part of the kit. We also have this available in black powder coating. This product is always in stock, typically ships next day, so if you guys are needing something in a hurry, just hit us up on the website and we'll get it shot out to you. You can find us at latemodelengines.com. Hit us up on the web.